Good morning children. In today's video we are going to see Trip to my grandparents village section 3. So far I covered section 1 and 2. Now we just have a short recap of section 1 and 2. So listen carefully children. First, Santosh vacation has started and he travels with his parents to his native called Sirumalai. Santosh was very excited. He writes down his experiences in his diary and he shares his diary with us. So, first we covered 10th of April and April 11th and also 12th of April so far, is it? On 10th of April, he has packed his clothes and they travelled by bus. Santosh was very excited. On 11th of April, he reached his grandparents' village, and on 12th of April, he woke up in the early morning and had a walk. The farmers are already in their fields, and his grandmother introduces Pavai, and Pavai introduces her friend named Amir, Peter and Umayal. So far, we covered this. Now, let's move on to today's topic, 13th of April. On 13th of April, Pavai takes me to the village pond. There are many children splashing around in the pond. Some boys are climbing to the top of the tall tamarind tree. Girls are playing hide and seek near the big banyan tree. See, the boys are splashing the water around, and some of them are climbing to the top of the tamarind tree. See, these boys are climbing up to the tamarind tree. Tamarind tree, you know, right? And what girls are they doing there? Girls are playing hide and seek near the big banyan tree. See, this is a big banyan tree, and some of the girls are playing hide and seek. Did you like to play hide and seek? Okay, come, let's move on to next para. My mother and my aunties take me to the river for a refreshing bath. See, Santosh mother and his aunties take Santosh to the river for a refreshing bath. In village side, they used to bath in the river, is it? So they are bathing in the river. I play for some time in the cool water, but I cannot swim. Santosh did not know to swim, so he just played in a cool water. I sit on a big smooth rock and watch my friends swim like experts. He sit on a big rock. See, he is sitting on a big rock and also watch his friends who are swimming like experts. Santosh did not know to swim, so he watched his friends who are swimming right there. They talk and laugh a lot as they wash their clothes and dry their hair in the skin. They used to talk and laugh a lot in the river while taking bath. They used to talk a lot and also dry their hair in the sun. Under the sun, they used to dry their hair and also wash their clothes. Is it clear? The river is so clean that I can see the pebbles in the river bed. How the river is? The river is very clean, and also see the pebbles. Pebbles means small stones. And colorful fishes swim by. I love the scenery. See, in this, the river water is very clear and also very clean, so that Santosh can see small pebbles in the river bed, and also some fishes swim by. I love the scenery. Santosh loves this scenery. Santosh likes this scenery very much. See, the scenery is very neat, is it? And also tell me, did you like this scenery, children? Okay, good. I hope you understood this passage, is it? Now we move on to next para, that is next day, 14th of April. On 14th of April, we are back to our home in the city. they returned their home. Their home is in the city. The trip to our grandparents' home was so enjoyable. How the trip to his grandparents' village? It was very enjoyable. He enjoyed a lot in his grandparents' village, is it? So, those 2 days flew by so fast. The 2 days which he spent in his native place flew very fast, and I realized that during this stay I had neither watched television nor played video games. In his stay in their native place, he didn't watch TV and also not played any video games. I am eagerly looking forward to our next visit. And now Santosh is eagerly waiting for his next visit to his native place. He tells that on 14th of April, they returned back to their home in the city, and also the trip to grandparents' village was very enjoyable. In those 2 days, the days also flew very fast, and he didn't watch TV or played any video games, and also he is waiting for next visit. Now already we learned the synonyms, is it? Now we just recall it. Eager, keen, vacation, holiday. Numerous, great in number. Pebble, a kind of stone. Expert, well skilled. And next we are going to see match the following. Cuckoo. What did cuckoo sings? Yes, cuckoo sings. Breeze blows, and river flows, and fish swims. So far we covered 1 marks, and now we move on to next one. This is your question answer. How did Santosh record his diary? How does Santosh record his diary? Santosh record his diary using his, you are going to complete it, using his mother's phone, is it? Name some of the activities that the village children were doing on their vacation. What did the village children did during their vacation? Did you have any ideas? Yes. Help to milking the cow, and help to peel the groundnut spots, and playing with stick and tire, is it? Now we move on to third one. Why did Santosh forget to watch television or play video games? Why did he forget to watch television or to play video games? Do you have any ideas? Yes, very good. Because he was enjoying his vacation and also playing outdoor games in the village. Did you like to play outdoor games? Okay, fine. See, Santosh is very happy and enjoys his vacation in the village and also play outdoor games in the village. So he forgot to watch television or to play video games. And fourth one, did Santosh enjoy his morning walk? How do you know? Yes, he enjoyed his morning walk. He feels the chill breeze. So it tells us that Santosh enjoyed his morning walk. Now we move on to fifth question. How did Santosh spend his time when he went to the river? How did he spend his time? He placed some time in cool water, sit in the rock and watched his friends. He used to sit in the rock and watched his friends. Now we move on to sixth one. How does Santosh know that the river is clean? How did he know that Santosh knows that river is clean? He can see the dash in the riverbed. What did he saw in the riverbed? By this, Santosh knows that the river is clean. Now you are going to fill all the answers I mentioned in this video. Is it clear to you? So far I covered second unit, first prose, trip to my grandparents' village. Is it clear? Today you are going to write missed words in this question answer. Okay?
How did Santosh
this is
know
your
that
today's
the river is
homework.
clean? எதனால அவனுக்கு வந்து சந்தோஷ்
Listen your video very carefully and fill the answers. Okay, children? In next class, I clearly explains all the answers. Okay? Now you just have a try. Okay, children? Now you are going to write the answers and post it soon in your Google Classroom. Thank you, children. Listen carefully and do your homework within a given time. Thank you, children.